Hi, my name is Laura Savory, and this is my presentation on blended learning. What is blended learning? Blended learning is the combination of in-person, face-to-face learning and online learning. Blended learning fuses these two things together to create an engaging and choice-filled learning experience for the students of today. How can I use blended learning? My experience in my own classroom is that I feel as if I'm given blended learning a chance. For math, I do a lot of direct whole group instruction, and then students are able to create some of their own ideas and meaning through the use of online games, videos, and activities that support and scaffold the lesson that I have taught. This is most similar to the rotation model. I think that in an elementary school level, that this is the most straightforward way to give this teaching technique a chance. Arguments. The lack of technology in some students' life. Many students don't have access to the internet or devices at home. Trying blended learning outside of my classroom could become a challenge. There is a digital divide that could pose an issue. The role of the teacher has become blurred and the potential to become obsolete. Technology could take over that role. If we rely too heavily on blended learning, there could be a movement to maybe end face-to-face teaching. That wouldn't be great for me. And finally, the lack of personal connection. Not being face-to-face takes away that piece that is so crucial in a young child's educational career. Gerbic talks about using discussion boards to build community, but this might not be enough in my opinion. Final thoughts. All in all, I think blended learning could be great for high schoolers who are preparing for college. It's a great way to continue to push education to grow and change with the digital age. Anything that can get kids more engaged and give choice is something that I'm willing to give a chance and experiment with. Thanks for listening.